Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this halo braid on my 4C natural hair. And if you have a thick hair like mine, the first thing you want to do is to stretch out your hair using a hand dryer and a comb. And guys, this is actually the first time I am actually doing a slick down on my hair. So you want to go ahead to add moisture to the hair by using water. Just spray water around the hair. For anyone that has a thick natural hair, spraying water on the hair actually helps soften the hair. So the next thing you want to do is to go in with any oil you use to moisturize your hair. What I'm using is actually my natural growth oil, which I made myself, so you could use whichever one you have. So let's start with the back. Since the hair is actually a short hair, and if you have a short hair, you want to start in sections. So starting from the back, I'm going to be patting out a little section at the back, and then I just go in with my Echo styling gel. One of the best ways to slick down a 4C natural hair is to go in sections, especially if you have a short hair like mine. So all I'm doing here is just to brush the hair to actually see how I can slick them all together. Then I'm now going to go again and then do the second pattern. Your pattern line mustn't be so perfect. After all, you're going to be slicking everything down, and there is no set quantity, or would I say amount, of gel you should be using on your hair. So what you do is just to spray water, like what I'm doing. I spray water and then I go with the gel. Doing this helps slick the hair more better. So I just keep spraying the water and then I apply the gel and I brush. Same thing, spray water, apply the gel and then brush. You guys just keep watching and see how I got to achieve this. And also too, if you've been watching and you've gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, give the video thumbs up, drop comments down below. And for everyone who have subscribed to my channel, thank you all so much. I really do appreciate. So guys, after slicking down the hair, all I'm doing is using my Got to Be Free spray to give it that extra hold. You mustn't do this if you don't have the Got to Be Free spray. Then you want to go ahead to wrap the hair so that it could actually dry. You could actually do this overnight before putting the braiding hair, but I didn't have time. I'm going to show you guys how I got to dry the hair, so just keep watching the video. So I'm using the braiding hair, the Xpression braiding hair in color 1, and all you want to do is just to take out the hair from the pack and then but still keep the band that came with the hair. If the rubber band is not there and you have any other band at home, you could actually use it at the top of the hair, and then you brush the hair. When you're brushing the hair, because this is a synthetic hair, you have to start from the bottom and work yourself upwards so it doesn't tangle. So I'm just dividing the hair now in 3 sections, and then I'll braid the hair from the top until I get to the tip of the hair. secure the tip of the hair so that it doesn't loose. I'm just using like a little rubber band, and if you have one at home, that's what you should use to secure it. And then I'm just trimming out the excess hair from the hair. When you're braiding the hair, don't make it too tight, don't also make it too loose. So to dry the hair, because I couldn't wait, I'm just using my hair dryer, and then I'm going to now attach the braiding hair to my natural hair using the band on the hair. So I'm going to wrap it round the knot on my natural hair, and then I'm going to use a bobby pin just to secure the braiding hair on the knot of the natural hair which I created. And also you want to go ahead and then wrap the hair round your head, and the excess one of the braiding hair at the back, you just tuck it in at the back using a bobby pin. And for this hair, guys, this hair is just a hair that you can just, it's a quick fix. I'll call it a quick fix hair of like 30 minutes. It's very easy and it's really beautiful. So just to give it some extra beauty, I went ahead to use this gold small clips on the hair. If you have this at home, you could use it, but if you don't have this at home, then it's fine. If you're watching this and you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, give this video thumbs up, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.